Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. A happy Sunday, happy 26th. Hope you guys are taking care of yourself without me wasting your time. Let's get to sort of today. So I just want to say a happy Father's Day. So if you still have a dad out there, please go and get something special. You can buy him a socks, a chocolate, anything just to appreciate your dad. Guys, men don't get a lot of support. We don't really appreciate them. So just send a text, even if you don't have many texts, to say happy Father's Day to my dad. I love you. So anyway, guys, let's get to sort of today. We all know that Umpumelelo and Vuyokazi, they went through so much. I still remember on Father's Day, Umpumelelo did not say anything. On Mhlopekazi's birthday, he will never say anything. He will only post ingane yakaterelo. But this year, it seems like Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo, they decided to put everything aside and do it for their kids. Guys, now Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo, they are co-parenting. We saw Mpumelelo on Mhlopekazi's birthday. We're gonna find out a lot of things on Izangani's Temple season 4, guys. Obviously, they're gonna give us this content. So today, he posted ingane zakaVuyokazi with the caption "Konzima ukuba ubaba buka ukuthi ngiphethe." You can see the kids are happy. They are enjoying being around, with their father, guys. The problem of Vuyokazi, she's also there, guys. It is there. They do have a healthy relationship. He also posted holding Pampers. We all know it is alleged Amanhle, she has a daughter, guys. Even though she has not yet posted to confirm the news, she said it's a lie. She was not pregnant. We're gonna find out on this time season 4. Obviously, they're coming back. He also posted Mosamsela, obvious that's his father. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.